No, we have not received it in writing because, as I said, that there are matters that are very vast in nature, in the sense that there are different universities and colleges throughout the country. So therefore, exact documentation and exact language may be a matter of concern for Government of India, I'm presuming. But as I said, and I've made it very clear, that the meeting with the Honourable Minister clarified the entire aspect to us, that any college and any students who are earlier, in fact, who would apply to any college that is affiliated to NEHU would have to give the exam. That is what the initial notification was. And once we clarified to the minister, saying that the different colleges which are affiliated because there is no other university to affiliate, the minister understood the problem and said that, well, in that case, only the colleges which fall under the academic program of NEHU will have to go through the CUET test, and other colleges which are affiliated and only for the sake of affiliation are there with NEHU, the students applying to those colleges will now no longer have to apply or give any kind of examination. So will not have to give the CUET examination. So that's what the clarification was. I'm very sure that we will receive the communication, and I want to assure the students that the commitment given by the minister is very clear, and they will not have to give the exam if they are not applying for the courses in NEHU.